Industry 4.0 is here and is bringing many challenges to advanced manufacturing companies. Workers and students need to have a comprehensive understanding around the changes in a constant evolving production environment.
But how do you gain all the skills needed for Industry 4.0? The CP Lab, a compact Industry 4.0 learning system from Festo Didactic. It includes all the technologies and components needed for communicating in-depth knowledge of Industry 4.0.
It's a scaled-down, exact model of what you will find in industry. It's highly automated, but it's built for student use. It's built to be explored. It's built to be taken apart and put back together. This brings real-world Industry 4.0 application right into the classroom.
They're giving me a piece of equipment that will allow me to train my student on what's actually in industry.
Its modular and flexible design provides a range of learning scenarios, from the pallet transfer production line with integrated controllers, right up to a connected production system with cloud services.
If they only learn the theory, when they get to the job site, they don't have a clue of what they're doing. But if we teach them the theory and how it goes with the hands-on, then it brings that aha moment.
This compact Industry 4.0 learning system grows with your requirements. So you can start with a 4-base station system that already addresses competencies around advanced PLCs, human-machine interface, manufacturing execution systems, and even cybersecurity. QR codes and RFID technology is embedded throughout our cyber-physical system. Then if we need to add competencies based off of local industry needs, additional modules can be added to create a 6, 8, or even a 10-station production line.
Students come away with technical skills and practical knowledge, which is what they need to have a successful career in manufacturing.
Investing in innovation labs and simulated high-tech work environments is proven to be beneficial not only for students, but also for the local economy. That way, students and workers gain experiences that meet employers' expectations.